Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use QR code scanner in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the notification area and here you will see QR code scanner. Scan QR code option. See here. Just click it. And now scan any QR. Bring any QR and scan. Yes, it is scanned. So link is showing now. This QR code contains this link. Okay, click on open link to go there. In this way, these are the information in this link. Okay, in this way you can easily use QR code scanner to scan any QR code. Okay, any type of QR code you can scan. Just to go to scan QR code and scan any QR code. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.